You searched how to buy shares of Inspire Medical Systems, Inc., a medical device company that develops implantable therapies for obstructive sleep apnea, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INSP. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy INSP, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INSP to locate Inspire Medical Systems. Confirm the correct listing in the results and select the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have INSP. Check the exchange and market hours to ensure it is the correct instrument. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be placed as pending or executed when the market reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your INSP position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.